vibrations that travel through the air. The more I heard, the more I felt. With every step I make, the more I appreciate. I see how people pass around me, walking as the clock does not exist. It's a tic-tac sound that is repeating on my head. Everywhere I go, I hear sounds around me. Some of them are intense, sharp, but all of them remind me to the power of being alive. I feel I create my own path with my connection with the world. When I hear the whisper of the morning breeze to the melody of a singing bird, it's the luminous notes of people laughing around me. Because sound shapes my reality. It's a power of connection with my soul. It's the rhythm of the rain touching the roof. Or it reminds me of memories from my past, those days from my teenage home. The sound of nature, the breeze, the melody holds an invisible sculpture. The waves sound so peaceful as I go closer to them. It reminds me of the summer days back then. I heard the sound repeating on my head. It was stronger, beating, appealing. Because music melody connects me with my roots. It's the bouncing ball touching the ground that evoke my inner child connection. When playing was my truthful and uniqueness way to feel alive. It's the pitch of highs and lows. They can be seen, but they are there. Sometimes I think I'm in a roller coaster, where there's not a single path, but it's the blooming nature around me that reminds me how peaceful and calm the sound of nature it is. My brain connects to art. I hear the music melody. My body feels the beat. It is the perfection that makes me alive again.